The wind howled, whipping snow across the frozen landscape. A small bunny, named Hop, shivered beneath a fallen log. The blizzard raged, a fierce white fury. Hop, a tiny bunny with ears drooping low, huddled beneath a fallen log. A faint cry echoed through the howling wind. A young bird, trapped in a snowdrift, called for help. Hop hesitated. The blizzard was fierce, but the bird's cries tugged at his heart. With a deep breath, Hop hopped out from under the log. He knew he had to help. The wind buffeted Hop, threatening to blow him off course. But he persevered, his small heart filled with courage. With a determined effort, Hop reached the trapped bird and gently nudged the snow away. The bird, freed from the snowdrift, chirped gratefully and flew towards the safety of the trees. Exhausted but triumphant, Hop returned to his shelter, a warm feeling of accomplishment filling his heart.